Thank you, Madam Speaker, ma'am. I rise on a point of national interest regarding the progress of the rehabilitation, upgrading, widening, and dualisation of sections of the Bulawayo Victoria Falls Highway, one of the Zimbabwe's most strategic transport corridors, serving the tourism sector, mining industry, local communities, and regional trade. On the 1st of October 2024, Cabinet announced its approval of the modernization of the Bay Bridge Bulawayo Victoria Falls Road through a public-private partnership framework, marking a significant milestone towards addressing the deteriorating state of the critical highway. Subsequently, in April 2025, Cabinet further directed that the project framework be expanded to include 7 additional contractors to accelerate the implementation, with the ambitious target of completing the works by December 2026. However, despite these commitments, it is reported that only approximately 60 kilometers of the 440 kilometer from Bulawayo to Victoria Falls section has been completed to date. This level of progress raises serious concerns as to whether the project remains on course to meet its stated completion deadline. Madam Speaker, ma'am, we now have less than 4 months before the onset of the rainy season. If substantial progress is not achieved before the rains begin, construction activities are likely to slow considerably, further delaying completion while exposing road users to deteriorating road conditions, increased accident, higher vehicle maintenance costs, and disruptions to tourism, mining, agriculture, and cross-border trade. I therefore call upon the Minister of Transport and Infrastructure Development to provide Parliament and the nation at large with an updated progress report on this flagship infrastructure project. Specifically, I seek clarification on the status of works on the 440 kilometers from Bulawayo to Victoria Falls station, the reasons for the apparent slow pace of implementation. Thirdly, the measures being taken to accelerate construction before the rainy season. And fourthly, whether the December 2026 completion target remains achievable. The people of Victoria Falls, Hwange West at large, Matabele North Province, and the nation at large deserve assurance that this strategically important project will be completed within the promised